Okay, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to save money so you don't have to buy any more ringtones. And how you can make your own ringtones simply using iTunes. In this example, I'm going to use Guns N' Roses, Welcome to the Jungle. You right click on it, you go to Get Information, and then you go to Options. But before we do that, let's figure out which part of the song we want to use. Okay. Okay, I like the first 15 seconds of it. So we're going to use that. So go to Options, start at 0, stop. Okay. 15. Click OK. Then you come down, then you right click on it again. Come down, create AACV version. Okay, now we gotta fit that. Now we gotta come back to the Welcome to the Jungle. Get information, options, and get rid of that. So that way, when you go to listen to your song again, you'll be able to hear the whole thing. Alright, close that. Now we need the Welcome to the Jungle that we just made. Right click on it. And you come down. If you're using Windows, which is I'm using, you click on Show in Windows Explorer. Right click on it. Come down to Rename. What you need to do is you need to change it from an M4A to an M4R. You hit Enter. And it will say, are you sure? And you say, yes. Now, to make this easy, drag it down to your desktop. And then you click on your little bell for tunes. Drag it up. And now you have a ringtone, a 15-second ringtone. Best bet is to do 30 seconds, but I like the intro to so, and then all I have to do is hook my iPhone up, tell it to sync the tunes, and I'm done. So you now know how to make your own ringtones, so you don't have to waste money or getting third-party programs. So for your iPhones. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe. Have a good day.